Hi there, Kitey. These words, blizzard, thunder, snow, we never want to hear these words. Blizzard, an 8-letter word that we haven't heard in a forecast for 8, 9, 10 years. There's no activity right now here at the salt shed, but that is going to change dramatically in less than 12 hours.
This is a serious storm that we're looking at.
Mayor Mamdani says he's learned some tough lessons from the record-breaking storm and cold snap that hit the city in January, his first month in office. 18 New Yorkers died outside. Garbage piled up on city streets and many bus stops were blocked. So this time, the mayor says he's getting ahead of this storm.
Here is what we are doing differently. We have brought in outside mechanical snow clearing equipment ahead of the snowfall, an unprecedented early activation of this resource. We are expanding geocoded tracking of bus stops, unsheltered stops, crosswalks, and pedestrian ramps to improve the rate at which they are cleared. We are also mandating that a path of at least 4 feet must be cleared across all sidewalks to accommodate wheelchairs.
The city sanitation department will have 2,600 employees working 12-hour shifts starting Sunday morning, assisted by 1,000 emergency snow shovelers. A code blue has been in effect since 4 p.m. Saturday afternoon to help the homeless find shelter, 12 hours before the first snow was expected to fall. And at city grocery and hardware stores, people were stocking up on needed supplies.
I've been through these snowstorms for 50 years, and this is one of the worst years. So everybody has to be prepared.
I'm here local in the Upper West Side, and we're just trying to get some snow melt to prepare for the blizzard and just be prepared ahead for this storm.
I'm preparing by buying myself this small shovel because it fits in the back of the car, and I'll have him dig out my car with this, and some batteries and some gloves for my husband because he never has gloves.
And we should all listen to the mayor and stay inside, stay indoors if you can. Tomorrow, going into Monday morning and Monday afternoon, Mayor Mamdani says he will be deciding whether or not to close all city public schools. He's going to make that decision Sunday afternoon. We are live in front of the salt shed on Spring Street in Lower Manhattan. McGee Hickey, Pix 11 News. Back to you, Kitey.
Oh boy, McGee, here we go again.